Welcome back to CARSJADE, where we break down the most exciting machines hitting the road. Today, we're turning our attention to a full-size SUV that just got a serious injection of performance, the 2026 Nissan Armada NISMO. Yep, Nissan finally gave the Armada the NISMO treatment, and the result is a bold, powerful, and surprisingly agile three-row SUV. The 2026 Armada NISMO takes everything you thought you knew about big SUVs and cranks it up. It's not just about space anymore. This thing means business on the road, too. Let's start with the design. The exterior has been completely reimagined with NISMO attitude. It rides about 0.7 inches lower than the standard Armada, giving it a more planted, aggressive stance. The front fascia features a blacked-out grille with a glowing red NISMO badge, flanked by LED fog lamps and unique air intakes that scream performance. Around the back, a red accented diffuser and aerodynamic spoiler cap off the bold look. And let's not forget those stunning 22-inch aluminum alloy wheels, paired with red brake calipers that pop behind them. Color choices include NISMO-exclusive Stealth Gray, Black Diamond Pearl, and Everest White Pearl, with available black roof treatments that give this SUV a stealth fighter vibe. Whether parked or cruising down the highway, the 2026 Armada NISMO demands attention. Step inside, and the performance theme continues. The cabin is loaded with premium materials and sporty NISMO details. The seats feature red-stitched Alcantara inserts for a race-inspired feel, while the steering wheel is wrapped in leather and has a red 12 o'clock stripe. Red accents are tastefully scattered throughout the dash, door panels, and center console. The instrument cluster features unique NISMO graphics, and there's a performance-focused ambient lighting setup that adjusts with drive mode. Tech-wise, you get a fully digital 12.3-inch driver display, a large 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Bose 13-speaker sound system. Nissan also includes wireless charging, a panoramic sunroof, and tri-zone climate control, along with all the safety gear from the Nissan Safety Shield 360 suite. So it's not just brawn, it's smart too. Now, let's talk about what powers this beast. Under the hood, the Armada NISMO houses a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6, the same base engine from the standard model but tuned for more output. Thanks to revised engine mapping and a performance exhaust system, it now delivers 460 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque on premium fuel. That's 36 more horsepower than the standard version. Power is sent through a 9-speed automatic transmission, and you can choose between rear-wheel drive or Nissan's intelligent 4x4 system. It also keeps its impressive 8,500-pound towing capacity, so it's ready for work or play. To handle the extra punch, the Armada NISMO gets enhanced suspension tuning, a lower center of gravity, and sportier dampers for improved cornering and reduced body roll. The result? A full-size SUV that feels tighter and more responsive than you'd expect, without sacrificing ride comfort. The 2026 Nissan Armada NISMO is set to launch in fall 2025, with pricing expected to start around $78,000. It'll slot just above the Platinum trim, offering buyers a performance-oriented luxury alternative in the full-size SUV market. So what do we have here? A full-size SUV with seating for 8, the ability to tow over 8,000 pounds, and a powerful 460-horsepower twin-turbo V6, all dressed in NISMO style. The 2026 Nissan Armada NISMO is the boldest Armada yet, and a strong statement from Nissan that performance isn't just for sports cars. If you loved this first look, be sure to hit that like button, tap the bell, and subscribe to CARSJADE so you never miss the latest on bold, beautiful, and beastly rides. Until next time, drive fierce, and stay tuned.